Hey everybody, it's just a few minutes, about 3 minutes to 7 o'clock, and we are going to be doing Honk for Healthcare here in Machosen. Our group pod just started, and we are coordinating as a neighborhood. We live in the middle of nowhere, so a lot of people will be honking. Anyway, I just thought you might want to see what it's like out here. And soon you're going to hear the people honking, generally making noise. Can you hear it? Is that incredible? Just... makes my heart sing. And now we're done. Thanks everybody for showing up, and I'm just so proud of our community for coming together and just really appreciative of everybody who's out there working, and very lucky to be at our homes. And thank you for everybody whose friends have passed away in the US. So do your part, stay at home, support the healthcare workers. Take care. Have a good day.